God, she's here! We can stop talking about this bollocks. Follow me. Your lives are about to be changed.
What's going on?
Ugh. I give you the future of mobile gynecology. Our new medical bus.
This sign sucks.
What?
It's like some soap opera star, a Mexican dentist, a beautiful Indian woman, and some kid who just got bar mitzvahed. And why did you use a photo of me when I was sneezing?
That's what you get for not taking your antihistamines.
I think it's kind of adorable. I mean, I can actually hear the cute sound you make when you sneeze.
Seriously, our new medical bus.